really long drill hole for this one. I got off the center, so I ruined that blank. I want to see if I can sand this down, glue this piece on next to it, and save a pen out of that. We'll see. Looks like they're going to close up nice, so I'm going to put some glue and some super glue on this one. Alright, glued up really flat. We'll see. Let that spend overnight in here at least. Extra little piece on it. I closed off the end. Put the tube in there. We'll see how this looks. We'll give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't fly apart. Alright, well, I finished this barrel that had the tear out on one side and the patch. It's pretty noticeable, and yet I think it looks really cool. Came out really nice. I don't know. Had some character and story to it. Blank had a couple other cracks in it that couldn't even see till we got down. Those are all fixed with CA along the way.